There's a unique kind of freedom found on two wheels, a raw connection between rider, machine, and the open road. But this modern obsession didn't just appear overnight. It began over a century ago with a wild idea. What happens when you give a bicycle a soul? Welcome to the dawn of the motorcycle. In the late 19th century, inventors were desperate to mechanize personal travel. While some experimented with steam, it was Daimler's 1885 Reitwagen, essentially a wooden bone shaker with a gasoline engine, that sparked the revolution. By the early 1900s, motorized bicycles evolved into proper motorcycles. Brands like Indian and Harley-Davidson emerged, pushing the limits of speed on lethal wooden board tracks. These weren't just transport vehicles anymore. They were a thrilling, dangerous new sport. Then came the World Wars, where motorcycles proved their mettle as rugged, indispensable battlefield messengers. When the soldiers returned home, they brought that riding culture with them. The 1950s and 60s birthed the counterculture icon, the rebel on a chopper. But just as the West mastered the heavy cruiser, the East rewrote the rules. Japanese manufacturers introduced lightweight, hyper-reliable, and affordable bikes, making motorcycling accessible to everyone. So, how do we preserve this century-long obsession? We build sanctuaries for them. Welcome to the Motorcycle Museum. Stepping into a museum isn't just about looking at old metal. It's a walk through a time machine. Here, every scratch on a gas tank tells a story, from rare prototypes to iconic land speed record holders. Museums bridge generations, showcasing human ingenuity and our endless desire to go faster. From wooden frames to carbon fiber, the silhouette may change, but the spirit remains exactly the same. The next time you see a motorcycle roar past, remember, you're looking at history in motion. Thanks for watching, and keep two wheels on the ground.